Hello guys, today I'll be explaining some things about mysqli and how to use the basics of it. So first you'll want to start up your code editor, text editor, whatever you'd like to use. And then we'll create a PHP file. Save it. I'm going to save mine in obviously my examp folder, examp, htdocs, tutorials, and I'll just save this as connect.php. After that, we'll start it. So let me hurry and explain what mysqli stands for and what you can do with it new. mysqli is MySQL improvement. With it, you can do many of new things. How it works is just a little bit different. I heard it's safer, and yeah, just a whole bunch of good things. If you want to learn more, you can just search it up, Bing it, or whatever you like to use. Anyways, we'll get to it. So link equals mysqli connect, and here we'll put our host, so that'd be localhost if you're actually that should be for every website. And then here we'll put our username, so mine is root. And then in this we'll put the password. I do not have a password. And then here we'll put the database name. We do not have any databases created, so let's hurry and go do that. To do this, you'll go to your Chrome or Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, whatever you'd like to use. Then you go localhost 1234. That's how I have mine set up. I had to set up like that because I had this previously and uninstalled it because it had broken or something. And now I have to deal with this. Next we'll go to phpMyAdmin, databases, and you can see we have none, so for ours actually. Next we'll create let's just do tutorials, create, and then you see it right there. Hop into it, and we'll just create users with 4 rows, columns I mean. First row will be ID, second username, actually we'll put email, username, and password. Password will be a varchar of 128. If you're still new to MySQL, phpMyAdmin, whatnot, a varchar of 128 means it can only have 128 characters. Username, you can put a varchar of 35, meaning it can only have 35 characters in it. Email, I'm going to put a varchar of 125. I mean, I've seen some pretty big ones, but that should be the lengthiest one actually. So then next we'll put big int and auto increment. This means you can have a lot of members on your site. So we press save, and there it is. It's created. Now we have nothing in it, so let's insert something. ID we can leave alone since that's auto increment. Email can be, I'll just put my email. Next my username, only babyface, and my password will be nothing for now. So go. Okay, there you go. Now go back to the code, and we'll be selecting tutorials. And after that we can actually put a or die. If it errors, we'll put error. This means if something did happen, whatever, mysqli error. We'll put that, and then we'll put the link, which would be this right here. Okay, next we'll be doing our query equals, this is just going to be select, and we'll be selecting username from users. Sorry about that. Next we will be if you did not see this, we have an error. You always need a semicolon. Next we will be doing result equals mysqli query link and then query. Sorry about that. Just not feeling so well today. And save it. Next we will create a new file. This will obviously be a PHP file, and we can just name this index.php. And here we will do require connect.php. After that, we'll do row equals mysqli fetch array. And since we're requiring the connect.php, we'll be requiring actually using the result. And then we'll do username equals row username. Username. And then we'll just simply echo it. Username. Save it. Go to here. Local host 1234/tutorials. And there we go. We're getting the username from the database from users. That is a simple tutorial on how to use mysqli. A good explanation. If you want it better, just Bing it, Google it, whatever search engine you use. I'd like it if you gave me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever. Thank you.